What if I told you that the exact moment a woman decides to lose interest in you has absolutely nothing to do with your looks, your bank account, or the car you drive? What if the real reason she pulled away was actually hidden inside a psychological trap that you walked right into, completely on your own? Let me take you back a few years. I remember sitting in a crowded coffee shop, sweating through my shirt, staring at a girl who, just 20 minutes prior, was laughing at my jokes and looking at me like I was the only person in the room. But then, I panicked. I felt this overwhelming pressure to keep her entertained, so I started over-explaining my job. I tried to sound important. I forced intense, unblinking eye contact because some internet guru told me it projected dominance. The more I tried, the faster her smile faded. By the time our drinks arrived, her answers were one word long, and her eyes were glued to her phone. I went home feeling completely isolated, asking myself what the hell just happened. We have been conditioned to believe an absolute myth. We are told by dating coaches to use superficial tricks, copy physical gestures, or memorize generic life hacks to keep someone attracted. It is absolute nonsense. It does not work. In fact, trying to fake confidence is the fastest way to project total insecurity. But today, everything changes for you. Welcome to the second episode of our Breakthrough Social Mastery series. If you stay with me until the very end of this video and genuinely apply the hidden psychological blueprint I am about to share, you are going to experience a massive transformation. You will stop chasing, and instead, people will become addicted to your presence. Most people operate out of pure, reactive panic. They get a little bit of female attention, and they immediately become stressed, fake, and hypocritical trying to keep it. But smart, charismatic people operate with a calm, intentional control. Let's break down the exact framework of why she was interested until you did this, starting with the first major trap, the approval vacuum. This happens the exact second your internal state shifts from enjoying her company to begging for her validation. But here's the crazy part. You don't even have to say a word for her to feel this shift. Most guys think they need to constantly agree with everything a woman says to keep her interested. If she says she loves a specific band, they suddenly pretend to be their biggest fan. This is a massive mistake. When you abandon your own reality just to please someone else, you completely destroy your perceived value. True warmth and high social value have absolutely nothing to do with people pleasing or lying to fit in. You must hold firm personal red lines. If you disagree with a smile. The moment you show you aren't afraid to hold your own ground, her respect for you skyrockets. And here's where it gets really sneaky, leading us to our second element, the velocity flood. When things are going well, most people get impatient. They feel a spark and immediately rush to flood the space. They text back within 3 seconds, they plan 3 dates ahead, and they overinvest before the other person has even earned their time. Wait until you see how quickly this kills tension. Attraction requires space to breathe. Think about a workplace dynamic where a boss suddenly praises you too much on your first day. It feels weird, right? You instantly wonder what the catch is. When you flood her with attention too fast, her brain immediately flags you as low status. Shift your internal state to one of abundance. You are a man with a full, exciting life. You don't need to rush the process because you aren't desperate for a result. This brings us directly to the third pillar, the mask of perfection. We live in a world where everyone is trying to look flawless. Most men think they need to project an image of superhero who never makes a mistake. But human beings are biologically wired to deeply distrust perfection. Let's look at a visceral human moment. Imagine you are on a date and you accidentally sneeze, or you trip slightly on the curb. Most people get incredibly flustered, turn red, and spend the next 10 minutes apologizing and trying to recover their cool image. It's painful to watch. A truly charismatic man doesn't care. He laughs at himself. He owns his awkwardness. When you stop trying to control your external mechanics and instead accept your flawed, raw humanity, you become incredibly safe to be around. She relaxes because you are relaxed. Finally, we have the fourth element, the identity anchor. The biggest tragedy in modern dating is when a man meets a woman he likes, and he completely deletes his own hobbies, his friends, and his goals to clear his schedule for her. You become a shapeshifter. But remember, she was attracted to the man who had his own life moving forward. The moment you anchor your entire identity to her opinion of you, the mystery is dead. You do not need to be born special or possess some magical genetic charm to master this. You just need to design your life on purpose. Do not try to change every single behavior at once, or you will get completely overwhelmed and default right back to your old habits. I want you to pick exactly one specific technique we talked about today. Maybe it is holding your ground on a small opinion, or maybe it is deliberately slowing down your response time to sit in your own abundance. Pick your one technique and leave a comment below stating exactly which one you chose. I want to see your commitment in writing. If you found value in this blueprint, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell right now so you never miss the next level of your growth. Keep building, keep evolving, and I will see you in the next episode.